Welcome. In front of me is a Vivo Y97, and today I'll show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe upwards from the bottom right corner, right over here. And you can see it pulls up this little panel, and then somewhere here you'll find your Do Not Disturb toggle. If it's not as visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and there's another page. And you can see that's where the toggle is located for me. Now once you see it, first time you see it, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. So go over this, customize it to fit your needs, and once you've done so, you can close this and you don't have to go back there again. Let's find the toggle once more, and this time around we're just going to tap on it. It gives you a quick message: Do Not Disturb mode in Do Not Disturb mode, incoming calls, messages, and notifications will be muted, and the phone cannot be woke up when the screen is off. So anyway, I'm gonna select OK. Now what it meant by the last portion, the cannot be woke up when the screen is off, it means that when you get notifications, the screen won't light up to display that you just got a notification. It will just stay dark as though you never got one. But if you were to press the power button to wake up the screen, you will see that there is a notification. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to turn it off, find the toggle once more, tap on it once again, and this will obviously turn off your Do Not Disturb mode. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.